Back to the channel. Last video we were taking care of some brake stuff. Got the brake booster in, plugged some lines to both sides of the front, got new wheel cylinders and new shoes in the back, got them all adjusted and bled, bungeed the battery down. Don't have the little heat riser for the choke yet. Got the wheels on there. Put the seat bottom in, just threw a blanket over it until we get it reupholstered, sitting on some blocks. Got the dash took apart and our little jerry can down there ready to go. We're gonna fire it up and see if we can get it driven over to my place, which is just right next door, but it's a pretty big yard, so we're just kind of yard drive it and maybe even pull it up in my backyard. Show the wife and the kid, the youngest. Hopefully the oldest is watching this one. Hi, Jamie. If you are, comment, man. Tell me what you think, bro. Come on. Yeah, this is of course 55 Chevy 210 Del Rey. Got a little GoPro action going to hopefully make the video a little neater. But yeah, we're gonna set up the bigger camera because it can record. I would say it will record longer videos with less chance of lag. So we're gonna try that. Fire her up and move her out. See how she does. Alright, well, wasn't exactly over into my yard, just because there's some stuff in the way. We got an old AC unit and stuff. Didn't want to risk picking up nails in the tires, but she did pretty dang good, I'd say. Yeah, she idled. Did have to add a little bit of ATF when it stopped in the yard once on me. Sarah got a video of me putting it around, but yeah, that's probably the first drive for this car, and for sure 20 plus years, because I've had the car since, I want to say 2006. In July 2006 is when I bought it. I was like maybe 14 or so, but yeah, it's been a little bit. Labor of love, of course. The new floor, the 265 who is dumping gas, radiators holding temperature. Got a little pressure. Hopefully that thermostat opened. Don't have any gauges or anything yet. Didn't drive it a whole bunch, but she's got brakes. She's got a cooling system. Eventually she'll have a charging system with the generator there. Yeah. Then of course we'll get this seat recovered. That's just the bottom of it. Just sat it on 2x4s. So it was a little low. Felt like a low rider, and then I've got no rear shocks in it right now either. But that's it, man. First drive in, shoot, I would say sometime probably in the 80s at least, because it sat in that field out by Cheney at the bait store that closed down for years and years and years, and it was buried in the back in the grass. Went to look at a 4-door and found this with no rear end and rotted floors, and now she's sitting on a finished one-piece frame. Got a nice 265 in her, 2-speed power glide, and she's moving under her own power. It is a excellent feeling. So good. Yeah, Pops put a rubber on for me on the brake pedal, which was nice. Didn't want my foot slipping off the brakes. They seem to work really good. That $150 unit really did the trick. Yeah, see, no shocks. She bounces. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I know it wasn't a birthday drive, but I said if I got it done, the video would be out by Saturday. So looks like it's Saturday, and we're gonna get this video out. Thanks everyone for watching. Like and subscribe.